Hi, I'm Greg Piper with United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. And today I'm on board a Cruiser's 3672 model, and it's 2001. So today I'm going to be taking you on an interactive tour of this boat, so you have the ability to control the camera. Just use your finger, tilt your phone, or use your mouse. So here we're going to begin this tour in the cockpit. And you'll notice this is a very unique two-level cockpit with a walk-through to the sun pad on the bow. Features a walk-through transom to an extended swim platform. Now, most notably on this boat is all new sea decking for the floor. Canvas is in excellent condition, albeit the windows at the front are in need of replacement. And there is typical wear and tear on the upholstery when you look around the boat. It is a 2001. Wet bar to the port side here, and does feature a ice maker. Now, below deck here with the electric hatch, you get access to the engine room, the generator, and some of the other hardware for the boat. Does have 8.1 liter horizon, so good horsepower for this boat. Has ability to get up and go. The electronics have also been updated on this boat. They have a nice Garmin system there. Of course, the boat has windlass. Also, a Vias bow thruster has been installed, so making maneuverability real easy with this boat. So, we're going to head down below, and I'll set the camera down right here in the middle. So, we got generous headroom down below here. This is the express type layout. They had two versions of this boat when it did come out, and one of the versions had a hard door to an enclosed mid cabin. This one is open to the boat, so you do have a convertible bed in the back, but it's also the full-time sofa. And the television that's here around the corner can swing out, and you can watch TV from anywhere in this area of the boat. The Fusion stereo is also a recent upgrade to this boat, and all the speakers are new. Have a look around. Again, generous headroom, but nice cleanable surfaces as well. The double door refrigerator over here was replaced in 2018 and features a separate freezer, but also has a small day freezer up top, so place to put your bacon, etc. Compact galley here, but all the essentials. Lots of storage in the boat. The vacuum flush head system and the pumps are located under the floor here. Going to have a look here at the bathroom. You should be able to have a good look here. Features a separate shower stall. Has the vacuum flush toilet and custom pedestal sink and countertop. Lots of improvements to the boat. Just moving forward, again, nice offset bed here. And that's what we call the master suite. Privacy curtains fore and aft for privacy. So, now the carpet's in good shape, and they do have the sacrificial carpet liner in place now. So very open and airy feel down here. And the air conditioner works fabulous. I just turned it off to do the video. You do have overhead hatch here as well. Some opening ports, good ventilation. So, let's move on up. See the cockpit television set as well. And last stop on the tour is where we began, here in the cockpit. So have a look around. It's very unique. It's a double wide captain's chair and features the flip up bolster, and the U-shaped entertaining lounge at the back is fabulous. So this is a Cruiser's 3672. It's a 2001 model and is available for sale. More details can be found on our website, unitedcityyachts.com. I'm Greg Piper. Thanks for watching.